Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pho bo. Start by preparing your beef bones. You will need about 4 to 5 pounds of bones, including marrow and knuckle bones. Blanch these bones in boiling water for 10 minutes to remove impurities, then rinse them thoroughly under cold water. Next, char 1 large onion and a 4-inch piece of ginger directly over a flame until softened and fragrant. These initial steps are fundamental for a clear, flavorful broth. For your broth, combine the cleaned bones, charred ginger, and onion in a large stock pot. Add 1 tablespoon of whole star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, lightly toasted. Cover everything with about 6 to 8 quarts of cold water. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Allow this to cook slowly for at least 6 to 8 hours, skimming any foam that rises to the surface. This long, gentle cook time develops profound flavors. After simmering, carefully strain the broth to ensure it is perfectly clear. Return this golden liquid to a clean pot. Now, it is time to season for that authentic pho taste. Add about 1/4 cup of high-quality fish sauce, 1 piece of rock sugar about the size of a golf ball, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Taste the broth, then adjust the seasonings as needed. It should be savory, slightly sweet, and aromatic. Achieving this balance is crucial for a memorable bowl. While your broth simmers, prepare the other components. You will need 1 pound of flat rice noodles, often labeled ban pho. Cook them al dente according to package instructions, then rinse with cold water. Next, thinly slice about 1/2 pound of raw beef, such as sirloin or flank steak, against the grain. You can also prepare cooked beef, like brisket, by slicing it into thin pieces. Have these ready for quick assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.